In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn a page into a landscape Canva. If you've ever needed a wider layout for charts, timelines, or a photo collage, switching a single page to landscape is quick and keeps the rest of your project untouched. Start by opening your project. Once you're in, look for the page thumbnails area. This is the strip that shows small previews of each page in your document. It's usually along the bottom or on the side, and it lets you work on one page at a time without changing the whole design. Find the specific page you want to make landscape in that thumbnail list. Next, right-click on the thumbnail for that page. A context menu will appear. From that menu, choose Resize Page. This option tells the editor you want to change the dimensions or orientation for just the page you selected, which is perfect when you don't want to alter everything else. A resizing panel will open. Here, click Custom Size. While there are preset sizes available, Custom Size is what enables the orientation controls we need. After you click Custom Size, click into either the width or the height field. As soon as you place your cursor in one of those fields, you'll see the orientation options appear. You'll notice two options, Portrait and Landscape. Portrait is the tall vertical layout. Landscape is the wide horizontal layout. Click Landscape. This sets the page to a horizontal orientation. In many cases, you'll see the width and height swap to reflect the new orientation, which is exactly what we want for a wider canvas. You're not changing your content yet, you're just preparing the page to fit it better. Now, if you want to keep your original page exactly as it was and create a landscaped version as a duplicate, choose Copy and Resize. This makes a new page with the landscape orientation while leaving your original page in place, which is helpful if you want to compare versions or preserve the original layout. If you don't need a copy, proceed with the resize and your current page will update to landscape. That's it. Your selected page is now in landscape. Take a moment to scan your design and make any small adjustments to spacing or alignment that the wider layout reveals. When you're done, you can move on to other pages and repeat the same process as needed. Thanks for watching, and enjoy working with your new landscape page.